Hello, everyone. I'm Renee Bassett, Chief Editor of Automation.com, the publications arm of ISA, the International Society of Automation. Today, we're continuing our Process Automation Insights series of interviews with ABB. I'm talking with Mohammad Alhyari about the evolution of distributed control systems, specifically ABB SymphonyPlus. Welcome, Mohammad. I'm so
Hi,
glad you're talking with me today. Before we
thank you.
dive in, please tell our audience about yourself and your role within ABB.
Well, thanks, Renee, first of all, for having me today. My name is Mohammad Alhyari, and I'm the Global Product Marketing Manager for Symphony Plus at ABB. In my current role, I connect our product innovations with customer needs across global markets, making sure our automation solutions are clearly positioned and successfully adapted. Usually, I work closely with regional teams, partners, and R&D to translate technology into meaningful values for our customers.
Wonderful. I'm so glad to be talking with you. ABB Symphony Plus is one of your company's 3 promoted brands with a rich history across power and water industries in particular. From that foundation, what does Symphony Plus represent today in terms of capability, scale, and industry presence?
Well, it's true that the history of Symphony Plus is rooted in power and water, but today it's used more widely than that. We now have more than 7,000 systems running worldwide across many industries like paper, mining, renewable energy, refining, and of course, power generation and water. Um, in terms of scalability, Symphony Plus is designed to scale very flexibly. It can be deployed as compact serverless nodes for localized control or as a large multi-server distributed control system for complex mission-critical operations, which is actually increasingly important for customers operating mixed technology environments. And importantly, it integrates easily with third-party systems, which is also essential today as more customers operate mixed technology environments. Recent Symphony Plus releases also support modern industrial standards like OPC-UA 61850, GMP3, and more. So Symphony Plus has truly evolved into an open, connected automation system rather than just a traditional DC.
The theme of evolution seems central to Symphony Plus. How does ABB define evolution in the contents of a control system, and how does that relate to Symphony Plus today?
ABB has always believed in evolution without obsolescence, preserving application logic even as hardware generation advances. That philosophy has really served our customers well. But with the pace of today's digital transformation, we've expanded our definition. Today, evolution is not just about maintaining continuity. It's about enabling innovation at the same time. A Symphony Plus is designed to let customers introduce new technologies while preserving their existing intellectual property, infrastructure, and operational know-how. In practice, this means they can modernize at their own pace. With the SDE series, for example, Control and I/O, customers can upgrade controllers, IOs, and communication while retaining cabinets, wiring, termination units, and their proven application logic. It's actually evolution that respects real-world operating and lifecycle constraints.
That is very important to customers today.
Indeed.
What would you say are the core strengths of the current Symphony Plus DCS? And how does it enable plant operators in industries that you mentioned to future-proof their plants?
So we often describe Symphony Plus through 4 core value pillars: simple, scalable, seamless, secure. Simple reflects how easy it is to engineer and operate. Seamless speaks to its ability to integrate both legacy and modern technologies, which is essential actually for plants that evolve over decades. Scalable means that the same platform works for small installations all the way up to a very large distributed systems. And secure covers both cybersecurity and the system reliability required for mission-critical processes. One of the biggest enablers of future-proofing is the move away from a proprietary communication backbone. We're moving from this backbone to a standard Ethernet-based network. This creates a more open, flexible foundation, improves interoperability, and simplifies system expansions, and makes it actually far easier to integrate control systems with digital and electrical domains. Altogether, these are the strengths that allow operators to modernize as need change, adapt to new capabilities over time, and extend asset life, all while preparing for future operational and digital demands.
Well, it sounds like you've addressed one of the key concerns that customers had within your existing base about the idea of rip and replace. How does Symphony Plus enable this evolution without having to rip out what you already have?
Yeah. So this is one of the biggest challenges long-running plants face. How to modernize without major downtime, cost, and risk. Symphony Plus is designed specifically to avoid for replacement. Instead, ABB supports a stepwise approach, upgrading only the components that bring the most value, like controllers, IOs, and communication, while preserving existing infrastructure, like cabinets, field wiring, terminations, and application logic. All of these can stay in place, which actually dramatically reduces engineering effort and operational risk. The recent released SDE series is central to this approach. The same core technology can be implemented within existing Harmony racks, installed as space fit replacements in current cabinets, or deployed on DIN rail installations. This flexibility lets customers to modernize based on their site constraints and priorities without re-engineering the whole system. So in practice, this allows customers to plan and execute modernization in phases aligned with their operational schedules and investment cycles. So meaning they are in control. And in short, this is like all the new technologies can coexist within the same Symphony Plus architecture, enabling plants to evolve over time while maintaining stable and reliable operations.
And I assume that encompasses the concept of backward compatibility. How was that supported within Symphony Plus?
So backward compatibility is really foundational for Symphony Plus. It protects customer investments in control applications, infrastructure, and operator expertise, while still allowing them to introduce new capabilities over time. This means clouds don't have to wait for major overhaul before modernizing. They can start small, bringing in more higher quality operational data early in the process. Then that's actually especially important for plants looking to adopt advanced monitoring, predictive maintenance, and analytics. By enabling incremental adoption of these capabilities, Symphony Plus helps customers benefit from digital insight earlier while keeping their proving control strategies stable.
Well, as companies move forward, data accessibility and system connectivity to modern digital environments is very important as well. How does Symphony Plus do that? Is it involved with ABB's Automation Extended platform that I've heard about?
So Symphony Plus has evolved by modernizing its underlying architecture to improve how high quality trusted data is generated, accessed, and shared at the source. This includes shift to standard Ethernet-based networking and the adoption of open communication standards such as OPC, which simplifies connectivity within the control system and digital environment while maintaining high cybersecurity standards. These capabilities strengthens interoperability, reduces integration complexity, and ensures Symphony Plus can securely provide contextual data to a wider automation ecosystem that rely on analytics, optimization tools, and the higher level applications. Evolution strongly aligns with ABB's Automation Extended, which promotes an open, modular, and cyber secure automation ecosystem built on the separation of concerns architecture. So Automation Extended is designed to support the modernization of distributed control systems without disruption by adding a digital innovation layer for optimizations, analytics, AI machine learning, and advanced application on top of the trusted platform like SymphonyPlus, while protecting the mission critical control.
Could you explain to me a little more about the architecture, how the architectural changes support advanced analytics, machine learning, and AI applications?
Yeah, so by producing high quality trusted data, as I said earlier, at the source and making it available through open standards like OPC Sony Plus provides the reliable data foundation needed for analytics, machine learning, and AI. So Symphony Plus also improves device level insights through integrated smart device management using ABB's Field Information Manager, enabling better diagnostics, configuration, and condition monitoring, all of which feed richer data sets for digital applications. Automation Extended amplifies this by providing a modern, open, modular ecosystem with two securely interconnected environments, a stable software-defined control core, and a separate digital environment designed for edge intelligence, real-time analytics, AI-driven applications, and continuous innovation. This ensures customers can adapt to new digital capabilities incrementally, such as anomaly detection, predictive maintenance, and machine learning workflow, without disrupting or modifying the core control system.
Integrating Field Information Manager within Symphony Plus engineering strengthen the system's current smart device management capabilities.
So traditionally, smart device management has been handled separately from the control workflow. This approach has typically meant slower configuration, limited insights, more complex verification, and less effective condition monitoring. By integrating ABB's Feed Information Manager directly within Symphony Plus engineering, smart device management becomes part of the same environment used to design, configure, and maintain control systems. So what does that mean for plant owners? This means device configuration, diagnostics, and status information are available in a single place and can be accessed more easily by engineering, operation, and maintenance teams. In practice, this reduces manual effort, shortens troubleshooting time, and help teams act on device information more quickly and with greater confidence.
That seems like a very useful improvement and something that customers will get a lot of use out of quickly. Looking ahead, how does ABB see the next stage of evolution for Symphony Plus? What trends or customer priorities are shaping the next direction?
So we're seeing several trends influencing what comes next. Increased market uncertainty is one of them, faster technology cycles, and rising digital ambition. There is also a strong priority around the secure adoption of new capabilities without the disruption of existing operations and undermining existing investments. Our focus moving forward is on innovation with continuity, continuing to evolve Symphony Plus while protecting the core control environment. The next phase is centered around the clear separation of concerns, keeping core control highly secure and stable, while enabling a safe, modular introduction of new technologies that will drive the future of automation.
How very exciting. Well, it definitely seems like you've established a good foundation today and that Symphony Plus will be moving forward smoothly in the future. Thank you so much for talking with me. I've learned a lot, and I'm sure our listeners have too. I look forward to seeing what comes next from Symphony Plus and ABB. Thank you.
Thank you for having me, Renee.